White vinyl railing looks great on any house. It adds a touch of elegance and safety for those who need a little assistance getting up and down the stairs. But if you have this nice white vinyl, composite, or PVC railing, you know that it can get pretty funky. It can turn yellow, green, it has mold, algae, mildew, and that kind of thing on it outside from all of the spores from the beautiful greenery around it. So how do we get this off? It's possible to make it look brand new without a pressure washer. Today we're going to find a simple solution to keep your hands dry and get all of that beautiful white railing clean. Welcome back to Sawdust and Cornbread. I'm Laura Lee. If you're a first-time guest today, be sure to subscribe to the channel and click the like button. I put out new content every week. When I say we hardly pay full price for anything in order to stay debt-free, we are serious about that. I put this PVC or composite type handrail up years ago. It was required by our insurance company for something ridiculously low, like $40. It is hollow. I'm not completely confident about using a power washer on it. I don't have any experience with a power washer as it is, so I'm just not comfortable using it. Well, I found this technique to be the easiest, fastest way to get it super clean and make it look brand new. This will work for any outdoor fencing material that's composite, PVC, or white vinyl type. It's not so much the formula or the cleaning solution that is my secret as the equipment. You ready for this? I use my Bonnet mop, or you could use a Swiffer sweeper type thing, anything that has that joint there so that it can move around for so many things like cleaning windows, cleaning your vinyl siding. It has the telescopic handle that you can change the height of it as you need. This is what I use to clean all of my composite, vinyl, and PVC railings or trim that's outside. I don't use the typical Bonnet mop head. This is one of my secrets. This is the main way I keep my hands dry and clean, even when I'm cleaning all of that outdoor railing or fencing that's made of a composite, PVC, or a vinyl type material. The secret is this little, I guess you'd call it a bonnet. I think this was made by Shark. I'll have to do some research. I'll try to put it up on the top there when I figure out what brand it was that I bought. The tag has pretty much, oh, here it is, O Cedar. O Cedar is the one that made this. I believe Shark also makes them. It's like a little, almost looks like a shower cap. It has elastic that goes all the way around. I'll show you how I do this. I just slip this little, I guess, bonnet, microfiber bonnet, over my Bonnet mop head. It's not a completely secure fit, but it has elastic, so it's not going to come off. The great thing about it is you have this flat surface like you normally would with your Bonnet mop, but now you have surround coverage. All of this has microfiber around it that will get up in the nooks and crannies and in between tight spaces in that composite railing. It does a great job. And then you combine that with the fact that this mop head, whether it be Swiffer, Bonnet, or whatever, some generic brand, if it's jointed like that, you really can get up where you need to, and you don't have to get your hands dirty. This is the Armstrong Flooring Once and Done Floor Cleaner. It's for vinyl, ceramic, stone, and porcelain floors. It's concentrated, so this goes a long way. I can use it on any vinyl flooring I have. I use it on my concrete floors downstairs. If you want to take a look at this video, I show 3 different ways to finish those concrete floors, and I use this to clean those stenciled on floors that I have downstairs, and it does a great job. This stuff really cleans. It is once and done. There's no need to rinse. Add half a capful of Once and Done to one of those wash basin for the sink. Fill that with hot water, and it practically melts off any kind of mildew, outdoor grime, grit, green stuff, algae, whatever is on your white PVC, composite, or vinyl porch railing, handrails, and that type of thing. It works really great. I would not use the same one I use for my PVC, my siding, and composite railing for windows, just because it might pick up grit, and even after you send it through the washer, it may not get all that grit out. You don't want to scratch up your windows. It works like magic. This is one of my favorite outdoor cleaning hacks. Now you can see for yourself before and after using this method what a huge difference it makes. It works this well on any outdoor vinyl, plastic, PVC, or composite type material. You don't have to get your hands dirty whatsoever, and it lasts a really long time. I can't think of a better way to keep your vinyl looking brand new. If this tip helped you, be sure to like the video because that helps me. Also, be sure to subscribe to the channel. I put out new content each week. Until next time, be blessed.